Hey, today we're gonna cook pumpkin. No, I wanted to make a short video about my perspective on people with technological knowledge and what does it have to do with this channel. Now, I have this opinion of mine that there are just two different types of people with any technological knowledge, alright? There are the man people, stands for manual people, and there are the explorer type of people. Now, man people are the ones that find out about the program, read the whole manual, read the full documentation, read the wiki page, install the program, study it, read the built-in manual, read the built-in help system, try all the arguments, play around with it, get familiar with it, and master it to the point where it does everything that they could possibly think of it doing for them. These people have a very deep knowledge of the program and they can use it for their own benefit. Now, the other group is the explorer type of people. And explorers are average Joes, or anyone that is very used to graphical user interfaces, to GUI application, to visually controlling the program. Now, why explorers? Because if you think of these people trying to install a new program, let's say they have a home computer where they use Microsoft Outlook for email as an email client. Now they come to the new job, and in the office at their work computer there is Mozilla Thunderbird, or is it called Thunderbird? Yeah, Mozilla Thunderbird. And what they do is that they open the application and they look around, and look at the menus and look at the icons and try to figure it out. And for most basic stuff or most standard stuff, it will work for them, this workflow. They will eventually find a way how to achieve the basic things they want to do, and that's enough. And if they want to do something advanced, something that they can't find in the menu, they usually turn to the man people. They go to the support forum, they go to the chat, they use the support chat system on the website of the company, or they just email the customer service, and if it's like a service, or they email the developers. Like, they rely on other people to provide them the advanced solutions for a problem using a specific program or application or operating system, desktop environment, whatever. Now, you can also think of the explorer type of people as the iPhone people. iPhone is so popular just because it's so well designed on the user experience spectrum. It revolutionized the mobile phone or smartphone industry just because all the PDAs that were before, that you used with stylus, these were for managers, for people that were able to learn stuff. They were able to read the user manual when they bought the PDA, the phone, or the portable computer device. And iPhone did this thing that they created the user interface that was so simple that anyone can use it. If you give an iPhone to a child, it will take them like 2 days to master the phone and be able to do anything it offers. But the drawback is that it only allows you to do what the app offers, and you can't use it to any other extent. And the man people are the people that study the program, know what it can do, and usually they usually work with terminal applications, because terminal application can do many things. You can use many arguments. You can combine the arguments. Usually, terminal applications, if they are written correctly, they are very modular. You can do a lot of stuff with a single application, and you can also use, because it's written in a somewhat standard way, you can use the output of an application and pipe it into other application and create your own unique workflow, because with most of the terminal applications, anything is possible, almost anything. You can customize the app, the program, for your liking, for the work you want to do with it. It allows you to use the application behind the scope of the visual menu in the application. Like, imagine OBS, the program that allows you to record or stream your video. Now there are these scenes or presets where you can choose what will be in the video. Let's say it will use the webcam, it will use your screen recording and your microphone, and it offers you some basic options on how to do the recording. But if you use FFmpeg, which is actually a command line program that OBS uses internally in the background for your visual controlling the application, the FFmpeg command has a lot of other options that are not available in the OBS, because developer of the OBS targeted the targeted the audience of the general public, which they thought that they will only need the basic stuff. But with FFmpeg installed, if you learn FFmpeg from the bottom up, it can do almost anything. You can convert video using FFmpeg from different files. You can combine videos together. You can crop. You can even use the FFmpeg for basic video manipulation, not just for recording or streaming. And it's so much more powerful. And this channel specifically is about showing the explorer type of people what the man type of applications can do, and providing them in somewhat a nice manner that everyone can grasp on. And together we're going to review a lot of terminal-based applications, but we are not just limiting ourselves to the command line interface. We can use GUI applications, but the point is to provide alternatives to limited options in graphical user interface applications. So stay tuned for more videos, and this is just explanation of what this channel is about and how people with technical knowledge are or could be divided. Sorry man, gotta end this.